Hold up. No intro this time. This is an important brief message for all the cyclists out there. So I noticed my nylon rim liners were causing me flat tires. Seems odd, huh? Something doing the exact opposite of its intended function. So I bought these nylon rim liners about a year ago because the rubber ones that came with my rims were about falling apart around the valve hole. So I figured, hey, it's time for an upgrade. A couple weeks ago, though, I started getting flat tires randomly. Like, I would get a flat tire, and the puncture would be on the inside of the tube, on the rim side. And I thought, hey, I've had defective tubes in the past. Maybe this is the same case. So I would put a new tube in, and a few days later, it would happen again. Same thing on the inside. So I figured, alright, that was an old tube, I'll put a new tube in. And it happened the next day. Flat tire again. So I figured, alright, something's wrong here. Something on the inside of my rim is causing these flats. So after looking a little closer at the tubes, these lacerations were appearing all around in the exact same location that my rim liners were. But why is this happening now when these have been on for a year? So it turns out that with this hot summer heat we've been getting, this nylon has been getting all dry and crusty to the point where it's actually been sharp enough to cause lacerations in the tube. It's like those people that get in car crashes and they die because the seatbelt cuts them. Same effect, except imagine the seatbelt is all hard and rigid. But that's not even the problem. 'Cause why would this not be happening in the front tire? Well, it's a combination of two things. One, the nylon being hard and crusty. Two, me not getting the right width of nylon. And three, the profile of the rim itself having the sharp edges of the nylon pointing up towards the tube. Whereas I think on my front rim, the entire rim liner is completely flat. It's not bent in this U shape. So I ended up buying some new rim liners. They weren't as wide as I wanted them to be, but at least unlike the yellow ones, I didn't have to stretch the heck out of them to get them to fit over. And I put them in like this, so hopefully this won't happen ever again. This is such an anomaly. So that's it. That's all I got to say. Ride on. Ride on.